Okay, the new IPC is ready on the second machine. Let me explain you one more thing. If you ever had to close the SINUMERIK Operate, which is the interface that you are seeing now, you can, or let's say you had to restart it because it crashed for any reason. Let me show you how to close the app. I have enabled the exit button here without the need to enter any password. It can be done in any user or level, access level. So I'm gonna hit exit, and it's gonna start shutting down just the application, the SINUMERIK Operate. This is a version 6.25. Let's give it some time. Okay, it's closing. As you see, it doesn't affect the CNC because it's not linked to the HMI unit, the condition of the CNC. So the CNC can still run, but it's not recommended without the HMI or the SINUMERIK Operate running. So we do still have a little window there. Let me try to close it here. There you go. And just open the hidden menu. That's our menu. Hit the Windows icon, and here search for SINUMERIK, and it's gonna suggest you the first option is gonna be SINUMERIK Operate, SINUMERIK 1 Operate version 6.25. Let's run that. And again, as you see, it opens the windows, the little window there. So now SINUMERIK Operate application is running. Okay, and that is the way you can run. Again, if the application crashes or you need to close it, let's say you need to update an alarm, could be the case, and you need to reboot the application. Okay, thank you.